Hello friends, today our topic is how to generate Excel table with the help of Google Bard. Here I have some celebrities data. Cricketers name Babar Azam, Virat Kohli, Pat Cummins, Glenn Maxwell, Mark Wood, Joyce Butler. I need their countries and their age here. So I will get help from Google Bard. You can go to your browser and write here bard.google.com. Google Bard provides you the facility to paste the table. You can copy Excel table and paste here. Now additionally we will add here that fill up a table with complete information, correct information. Now we will enter the table here and Google Bard, after some searching, fill up all the table. Now here we can see that our all required information we can get here in a table form. We can directly these all information to Google Sheets by clicking on export to sheets. And if we want to copy them in Excel sheet, so here we select the cells and copy, and we can paste here in Microsoft Excel sheet. So by this way you can generate any kind of table in Excel with the help of Google Bard. But remember one thing, that you can also get information of celebrities or the famous thing. Write down your comments how you find this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more learning videos.